Hey there, let's say you're using the editor and the terminal at the same time. To switch between them, you need to click, which, as you can see, it isn't the most quickest or efficient method. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to switch between the editor and the terminal using two keyboard shortcuts. Let's get started. Now let's open the keybindings.json file, which in my case is located at C users my username app data roaming code user folder. So every keybind that we define here will override the default ones. So keep that in mind. The settings are pretty straightforward, but let's go through them anyway. We use the command workbench.action.terminal.focus to select the terminal with control and arrow down, and the command workbench.action.focus active editor group to select the editor with control arrow up only when the terminal is focused. Of course, you can use any other key bindings if you prefer. So let's see into action. Save the file. I'm going to press Ctrl down to select the terminal, and as you can see, it is now selected, and I'm going to press Ctrl arrow up to select the editor. And now I'm switching between them. Alright, so let's test this condition right here. So what it means is that the control up key binding only works when the terminal is focused. So right now my editor is focused, and if I press Ctrl and arrow up, it does nothing. But if I switch back to the terminal and I press Ctrl arrow up, it switches back to the editor. Alright, that was it for now. I hope this video helped you streamline your work. If you enjoyed it, stick around as I'll be creating more tutorials on VS Code. Wishing you a wonderful day, and I look forward to catching you in the next one.